PFTV, ngiphethe Mchimaro 3-3 draw, and then we lost on the penalties Mchimaro. Igame ya today abafana badlalile uyibone kanjani?
No, amachita akhombile spirit vandag. Amachita adlale grand. Beng disappointed kancane nge starting lineup sethu. Bengana striker, i-point of strike, I think machansi besimele sibe nomjito yobahlukumeza la umahopa press emachansi or alwe nama defender, at least aresile nama defend. Besingana player le first half lokuthi yenza right there. But I'm happy a performance yamachansi bayilwela badge today. I'm very proud to be a Orlando Pirates fan today. I think bakhombile ukuthi lakse South Africa umanungene bese sigodini bese uphume na something. So obviously penalty shootout it's a lottery ticket everyone's game. So I think namachansi naka prepare throughout the week beka confident enough ukuthi azongena nge 90 minutes aqeda game nge 90 minutes. So yeah, but I'm proud of Orlando Pirates mfethu.
Proud of Orlando Pirates. And then Sibonile Mbuthuma mesa le penalty. What did you tell Mbuthuma? Just some words of encouragement.
No, obviously number 9 yethu Ntwana, he's new. Amachansi kumele encourage. Anga be disappointed. Anyone could have missed that penalty. For uisibindi sokuthi avayo yothatha le penalty, pressure sibaya Goyeli Stadium, our hopes ahleli naye. So Ntwana khuthale angabi no moyo phansi or anything. I'm encouraged because the striker sethu lesa, so angeke sithi simbhekela phansi. So yeah, I'm very proud of Ntwana for kuthatha le penalty.
Your man of the match?
So man of the match Apolisi awuthi Apolisi I think udlalile last minute a goal. I wasn't expecting that. Almost fell into tears nangibona leya goal ingena awuthi but njengoba ngishilo mfethu amachansi wonke 11 yonke isidlalele vandag. I'm very proud to be a supporter here. So let's go for the league. Let's go for the league chance. All is not lost. We still have 3 cups to play for. Nedbank, PSL, Black Label. Yeah.
Tuesday Black Label we going against Makesi. So wabonisa ukuthi singabo bani thi?
No, obviously Makesi kumele angithi uyakhumbula last season isenzeni la. First half ishaye 3-0. So it's a revenge game. So kumele siyenzele phansi. Kumele sishaye nge-clean sheet enye enzima kabi. Ngigaya 4-0 Orlando Pirates Wednesday or Tuesday against Makesi.
Thanks Mchimaro Bopa.